Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 easy to grow hanging plants for beginners. So if you have just got into plants and you have started liking them and you want to utilize your top space or vertical space, these are some of the few best plants that you can start with. So let me show you a few of these plants which can be used in your hanging baskets and are very easy to care for. So the first plant we are going to talk about today is none other than the pothos or the money plants. I'm sure you must have guessed this one. So this is one plant which is the most easiest to care for by any beginner or who's just getting into plants. Now there are so many varieties of pothos or money plants. If you want to check out my video on the different varieties of money plants, I will link it in the description down below so you can check it out. So the first one we are going to see today is the golden pothos. I'm sure most of you must have guessed this. So here we go. So this is the plant which is the most easy to care for, and when you put it into the hanging basket, it fills up the basket very easily and makes it full. This is a plant which does well in indirect bright light, and it also does really well when it gets humidity. So when you see this new growth coming out, it's mostly because of its humidity. So here I have these few baskets of few planters wherein I have put this plant and it's doing really well. So one you can see just behind me hanging there. So that is the money plant which I have, golden pothos, which is doing quite well. The second one that we have is the Manjula pothos. Now this Manjula pothos, also I have done a video on this one wherein I have shown in different ways that the Manjula potho can grow. So you can check that out too. I will link that down below. And this Manjula pothos has a little curled leaf, so it looks really beautiful in these hanging baskets. The third kind of pothos is the pothos Enjoy. You can see it right there hanging this side. So this is also a plant which is a variegated one and looks really beautiful in hanging baskets. The care tips for all these pothos or money plants are basically the same. Then also we have the marble queen pothos and the jade pothos. And these money plants or pothos are really beautiful to look at. They can brighten up any space and add greenery to that space. As I told you, they love bright indirect light. They do well when they get a lot of humidity and moisture, but if it is indoors, you have to take care that you water it only when the soil is dry. You can fertilize it once in 3 months with either seaweed fertilizer, or you can also use something which is a fish emulsion, which is also a type of fertilizer. Another thing you can do is what you have, if you make compost at home, you can definitely use that too. So this is about the pothos. The next plant that we are going to talk about today, can you guess? The second one is the Tradescantia. You can see 2 to 3 baskets right here with me. So there are like loads of varieties of Tradescantia which can be used in your hanging baskets. One that we have over here is a purple heart. Purple heart adds a lot of color to your homes and also adds that vertical element to it. So you can see this purple heart. It has these beautiful leaves which are purple in color. The second kind of Tradescantia is the Tradescantia zebrina, which have these silver lines on it. So these also look beautiful in the hanging baskets. You can see this side, I have 2 baskets of Tradescantia. They do really well and their care is very simple. They require a consistently moist soil but not wet soil. They require indirect bright light and can be fertilized once in 3 to 6 months. If you live in an area where there is a lot of humidity, these plants do really well and can be grown easily through cuttings. The third plant that we are going to talk about today is the Calesia. Now there are 2 to 3 varieties of Calesia which are easily available, and these are quite similar to that of Tradescantia. These are also known as turtle vine. So one of the Calesias you can see there, that one, I don't know, okay, there, you can see there, it fills up the whole basket and covers the whole area of the basket. The next one is the plain green type of turtle vine. You can see right here I have the second type of Calesia repens, which is also known as turtle vine. So it makes a really good basket or really beautiful hanging basket. Now the care tips for this one are very similar to that of Tradescantia that we just spoke about. If you can see that side, I have another type of Calesia which has a purple stem but green leaves, which also is quite similar to this one, and just that it has a purple stem and dark green leaves. The fourth type of plants that we are going to talk about today are the Philodendron hederaceum or the heart-shaped philodendron. These plants are very similar to those of the pothos, in that they have similar kind of leaves, but the leaves are a little thicker than that of the pothos. So the first one in this category is the Philodendron micans, which is also known as the velvet leaf philodendron. These are beautiful plants which add so much texture and color to your homes. The second variety is the plain green variety of the Philodendron hederaceum or the heart-shaped philodendron. If this is added to the hanging baskets, it also looks really beautiful. The third one is the neon type. So this has neon colored leaves, but the shape is similar to that of the others. The fourth one, the Philodendron Brazil. This is really beautiful. It is green on the outer side and it has a streak of neon to it, which increases the beauty of this philodendron. There are 2 to 3 varieties more of these, but these are the easy to find ones. The fifth type of plant that we are going to talk about today are the Pilea nummularifolia. So I have 2 varieties of these, one the smaller leaf variety and one the larger leaf variety. But both of them are so soothing to the eyes. I will show you both of these. So these can be easily grown through cuttings. These just look like weeds, and sometimes you may even mistake it for a weed. But once you add them to a hanging basket and then see the magic. So this was the list of plants which can be used by beginners who have just gone into plants or just started. So these are a few plants that can be used by beginners to utilize their vertical spaces and add more plants. Don't worry, these are plants which will easily be loved by you all, and you will see how much of a difference these plants will make to your homes. I hope this video was useful, and the ones who have recently started planting will definitely try planting these in your hanging garden. Let me know what you think of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will really help my channel grow. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye. I'm really sorry that the letter D is not functioning on my keypad. So a lot of words like jade, wandering, Tradescantia and Pallida are missing the letter D. I hope you guys understand. Thank you so much.